Over 90% of Texas homeowners trust local handymen for home repairs. From leaky faucets to full renovations, our Handyman company has been a trusted local partner since 2010. We're all about reliable, skilled, and cost-effective solutions for every corner of your home. Our team is licensed, insured, and deeply committed to quality craftsmanship. Need plumbing, electrical, or carpentry work? We handle it all fast and efficiently. Plus, our personalized service means we listen to your needs and provide tailored solutions. Don't let small issues grow into big problems. Choose us and invest in long-term value for your home. Ready to get started? Reply yes for a free estimate and let's make your home shine.